Look at that man. Oh, he scared me. This is his first time to walk with anything besides me. Oh my goodness.
Here, hold on.
He's stuck.
Don't run over Millie. Watch out, Millie.
Good job, Luke. He just turned 15 months old yesterday.
Turn you around.
Here we go, Luke.
Try it now.
Oh my goodness.
It's going fast.
He is going fast. Here. Oh, there we go. There we go, buddy. Uh-oh. Say, Mama, you didn't do a very good job. Okay. Oh, he's on his knees. Well, that was quite the run on his feet. It is not going to be long, sweet man. All right, over and out. Yay, you did it, Luke. Good job. Good job, Luke.